Hi, I'm Morgan Sheppard, and I'm going to sing It Will Rain by Nino Mars. Okay, here I go. If you ever leave me, baby, listen moving on my door, 'cause it would take a whole lot of medication to realize what we used to have, we don't have it anymore. There's no religion that could save me. Now my knees, I'm on the floor. Oh, and even now all the sacrifices I'm making to keep you by my side, from keeping me walking out the door. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day it'll rain, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, ooh. You never begged your mother's favorite. No matter how my mind is, I'm on the floor. Oh, you don't even know all the sacrifices I'm making to keep you by my side, from keeping me walking out the door. Thank you. I'm Morgan Sheppard, and I hope you like this video. Thank you. Bye.